Good afternoon, class. Welcome back again to our online class. And this is Teacher Erwin. I am your mathematics teacher. I hope that you are doing fine today because today we are going to learn new things. But before we go to our lesson, please prepare your student book and your workbook. If you are ready, then let's begin with our lesson. Now, for our lesson today, we are going to learn about how to convert mixed fractions or mixed numbers to an improper fractions or improper fractions to a mixed fractions. Okay, let's try this one. To change this mixed number to an improper fraction. So we have improper fractions here is 3 and 3 over 7. So how can we convert this one into improper fractions? Okay, when we say again one more time, when we say improper fractions, the number above is larger than the number below. Okay, in short, the numerator is greater than the denominator. So how can we change this one? So we have 3 steps for us to remember to change this one into improper fractions. Okay, number 1 here is multiply the whole number times the denominator. So first is you have to identify what is our denominator. In these fractions, our denominator is 7. So according here, multiply the whole numbers times the denominator. So we are going to multiply by 7 times 3. Did you get it? Okay. So because this is our denominator and then this is our whole number. So according here, multiply the whole number times the denominator. So we have 7 times 3. Now, what is next? Add your answer to the numerator. Okay? Now what is our answer here? What is our answer here in 7 times 3? Okay? 7 times 3 is 21. Okay, 7 times 3 is 21. So our answer here is 21, right? So what we are going to do next is add your answer to the numerator. So we are going to add our answers here to the numerator and put your numbers over the denominator. So meaning class, we have 7 times 3 equals 21. 21 plus 3 is equals to 24 over 7. Okay, we just copy only the 7, the denominator here. So we have to put here, and then what we are going to do is we have to times 7 times 3 plus 1 is equals to 24 over 7. Okay, so let's have another examples. Next here is 4 and 1 over 8. So as what I have said, that you have to multiply first the denominator to the whole number. So what is our denominator, by the way? What is our denominator? Our denominator is 8. So 8 times 4 is equals to 32. Again, 8 times 2 is equals to 32 plus 1 is equals to 33 over 8. Okay, now another one examples. Okay, the last examples that we have is 5 and 3 over 5. Okay, so now we have multiply the whole number times the denominator. Okay, we have 5 times 5 is equals to 25. So next is we add more 3, so it becomes 28 over 5. Okay, now it's easy class, it's easy to understand. Okay, when we change the mixed number to improper fractions, we should or we must remember these steps. So first steps, one more time, multiply the whole number times the denominator. The second one here is add your answer to the numerator, and the last one is put your new number over the denominator. Okay, so now the problem is how can we change the improper fraction to the mixed fraction? Okay, so that's what we are going to learn today. So this time we are going to change this improper fraction to a mixed fraction. Okay, this is our mix, or this is our improper fraction. So what are we going to do to change this one into mixed fraction? So first is we have these steps. Divide the numerator by the denominator. So meaning we are going to use the division. Okay. Next is put the remainder over the denominator. Okay, I will show you how to do it. First is we are going to have 8 divided by 3. Okay, so what are the numbers that if you were going to multiply is not greater than 8? So we have 3 times 3 equals 3, 3 times 2 equals 6, 3 times 3 equals 9. So 9 is not included because 9 is greater than already. So we use 2. Okay, so next is we have to put here the 2. Okay, 2 because this is our answer, so we have to put here 2. 2 times 3 is equals to 6, right? So next steps is we have to minus this one. 8 minus 6 is equals to 2. So we have a remainder 2. Now, in order for us to know, or in order for us to get the mixed fractions, we have to write the answers 2. Okay. Next is our remainder 2 over 3. Okay, do you understand, class? Don't forget that one. Okay, this should be our answer. Okay, this is our answer, this is our remainder, and this is our 3 divided by 3. Okay, now I want to show another one example. Okay, we have this improper fractions. We have 7 over 9. Okay, 7 over 9, we write this one in a mixed fractions, go like this. So first steps is we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay, our denominator is 9, so we were going to divide that one in our numerator is 47. Okay, what are the numbers that if you were going to multiply by 9 is not greater than 47? Okay, we have 5. Okay, next is we have already this answer, so we put this one 5. Okay, next is 5 times 9. You have to multiply that one. 5 times 9 is equals to 45. So the next steps is you are going to minus it. 47 minus 45 is equals to 2. So we have the remainder 2. So again, our whole number is 5. Next is our numerator is 2 because this one is our remainder. Okay, remainder is our numerator. And our denominator is 9. Okay, so meaning 47 over 9, we write this one in a mixed fractions 5/2 over 9. Okay, the last one, examples that I am going to share to you. Okay, we have 46 over 5. Okay, how can we write this one in a mixed fraction? So, let's remember our steps. We have divide the numerator by the denominator and put the remainder over our denominator. Okay, next is we have 46. Okay, 46 over 5. Okay, 46 divided by 5 rather. So what are the numbers that if we are going to multiply this one, the result is not greater than 45. Okay, we have 9. Okay, since we have already our whole number, our answer, so we have to put our whole number here, 9. So what's next? Let's find out, or we were going to find out our numerator and our denominator. So let's have 9 times 5 is equals to 45. So let's minus this one. 46 minus 45 is equals to 1. So that's why we have our remainder 1. So this is our numerator. So we write this one as 9 1 over 5. Okay? Now class, I hope that you learn about how to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction and then improper fractions to mixed fractions. So by the way class, for more explanation and examples, I want you to watch this video so that you can expand your knowledge and understanding about our lesson today.
Fractions. How to change a mixed number to an improper fraction. 5 3/4. This is 5 wholes. Each whole is worth 4 parts, as the denominator tells us. So we say 5 times 4 is 20. Add the remaining 3, that's 23 parts. Put that back over our denominator of 4. Done. 6 2/3. 6 wholes. Each whole is worth 3 parts. So 6 times 3 is 18. Add the remaining 2, that's 20 parts. Put that back over the denominator of 3. Done. Last one. 8 3/5. 8 wholes. Each whole is worth 5 parts. So 8 times 5 is 40. Plus the remaining 3, that's 43. Put that back over the denominator of 5. Done. So when you're changing a mixed number to an improper fraction, you take the whole number and you multiply it by the denominator, and then you add the numerator, and that's your total number of parts. It's your new numerator. Put it over the old denominator and you're all done. How to change an improper fraction to a mixed number. 8/3. How many 3's in 8? 2 3's are 6, remainder 2. Use the original denominator, we're done. 14 divided by 5. How many 5's in 14? 2 5's are 10, remainder 4. Use the original denominator, we're done.
Okay, that's all for today. I hope that you learned something in our lesson. By the way class, please don't forget to answer your workbook page 66. See you again next time. Bye-bye.